Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abir. Today we will discuss on the topic of Simon Commission. Before we discuss this topic, what is the historical background of the Simon Commission? We have need to essential to know that what was the historical background of the Simon Commission. So guys, here we observe that before this commission, it was simply you should be understand that why this commission has been had been exist and why what is the exact meaning of the Simon Commission and why Simon Commission has been exist. So guys, the commission had to review the working of the Act of 1919. 2 years before it was due, because the Conservative Party did not like to leave the appointment of the commission to successor government, possibly of the Labour Party. So during this discussion, the topic of the Simon Commission, we found that it is a commission. Simply you should be understand it is a commission which had to review the working of the Act of 1919. So little a bit I will be brief. Introduction about the topic of the Government Act of the Government Act of India 1919. So guys, on August 27, 1917, Montagu, the Secretary of the State, declared in House of the Commons that British policy in India would be the gradual development of the self-government institutes with a view to the progressive relaxation of responsible government in India as an integral part of the British Empire. So the government of Indian Act 1990, in which we found that it had been established by the British government during the period of the Montagu, who was secretary at that time, and in which we found that whole of the nation government like self-government institute, and we can say that gradually of the self-governing institute with a view to the progress relaxation of the responsible government in the India as an integral part of the British Empire. It was clear shifted in the British policy. Montagu discussed the issue of the constitutional reform with Chelmsford, the Viceroy. They presented their report in 1980 known as the Montagu Chelmsford reform. The British Parliament enacted the same as Government of India Act 1999. So guys, during the discussion of the Simon Commission, we found here that before this there had been exist an act that's name was the Government of Indian Act 1919. Like such, the Conservative Party, they had made like such act in British, and same things they had been implemented in our nation India. So guys, for the observation or the development, or you can say the progress of the Government of India Act, they had sent Simon Commission, who was the General Secretary, and under his control, who had sent a commission that's name was Simon Commission, to observe, or you can say to review the working of the Act of the 1999. So guys, on November 8, the British government constituted an all white all white commission to recommend whether India was ready for further constitutional progress and on what lines. So guys, the British government constituted an all white commission recommended whether India was ready for further constitutional progress and on what lines. So it was known as the Indian Statutory Commission, better known as the Simon Commission after its chairman. So why this commission had been named, or you can say with the name of the Simon Commission. Simon was the chairman of this commission, and who sent by the British government to review the Constitutional Act after 1999. So guys, So guys, the commission had to review the working of the Act of 1999 2 years before it was due. So guys, 1919 Act, it was the constitutional act of the India, and it had existed by the British government. That's why, because the Conservative Party, they have also made like such commission in Britain, and according to this commission they have implement like such laws and rules according to this commission in our nation, or you can say in India. So guys, 2 years before it was due, because the Conservative Party did not like to leave the appointment of the commission to successor government, possibly of the Labour Party. So in future it was the due that this commission was due. 1999 act was due. So before the Conservative Party did not like to leave the appointment of the commission, so successor government possible of the Liberty. So guys, the commission, almost all political parties decided to boycott the Simon Commission on February 3rd, 1928. On the eve of their arrival, all the major cities and towns observed to complete hartals, and people came out on streets with black flags. So when the Britisher, they have sent the commission, that's name was Simon Commission, to review the working of the act of the 1999. So guys, when the commission had come, or you can say it had arrival at India during the period of the 3rd February 1928 to review the working of the act of the 1999. So guys, that all the people of the country, they have hartals, they have complete hartals, and people came out on streets with black flags. Their banners read "Simon Go Back." Massive demonstration took place in Calcutta on 19th February when Simon Commission reached India. So all the people of the state, or you can say the country of the people, they have totally hartals, they have totally against and protested the agitation against the Simon Commission, and given the slogan "Go Simon Go Back." Massive demonstration took place in Calcutta on 19th February when Simon Commission reached that India. So guys, what was the exact or you can say what was the main provision, or you can say what was the framework of the Government of India Act 1999. So in the Act of the 1990, we found preamble to make responsible government in India progressively is the object of the British government. India would remain an integral part of the British Empire. To develop self-governing institution, increase the involvement of the Indians in the administration. The British Parliament would decide the progress and timing of the self-government. So totally, what kind of the legislature, or you can say law and regulation, they made in British, they implement like such rules and regulation in our country. So this was the main thing, and for this act, all the nation people, they have against the Simon Commission only because of the, that's why, because you will find that only the white people, or you can say the white people were the observer, or you can say member of the Simon Commission. So guys, British goods were boycotted. The youth of the Pune waved black flags at the members all the way to the Pune. Major police public clash took place at Lahore on October 30, 1928, in which Lala Lajpat Rai was hit on the chest by the lathis. So here guys, you found that British goods were boycotted. The youth of the Pune waved black flags at the members all the way from the Lonavala to Pune. Major police public clash took place at Lahore on October 30, 1928, in which Lala Lajpat Rai was hit on the chest by lathis. Later he died later he died on November 17, 1928. Bhagat Singh and his colleague to take revenge killed Saunders, the policeman responsible for the death of the Lala Lajpat Rai. So guys, what kind of the chaos, or you can say what kind of issues and how the people have done agitation against the Simon Commission at that time. You found that hartals, and they have boycotted all the things, and we boycotted all the things. And during this period, Lala Lajpat Rai beaten by the British government, and finally due to this cause who have died, and it was the responsibility for the death of the Lala Lajpat Rai. When Talukdars of Lucknow give a reception to the members of the common, November 28 to 1928 to November 30, 1928, Khaliquz-Zama floated kites and balloons with slogans "Go back, Simon." So guys, we have discussed illustratively Simon Commission, and where you found that what was the exact meaning of the Simon Commission and what commission it was held at that time by the British government. That overall view I want to share you that Simon Commission, it was the commission which was established by the British government to review the working of the Act of the 1999. And guys, after that time, how the people of the country, they have saved the nationality, or you can say identity of the nation, and how all the people cooperatively they have they have done agitation against the British government. And you have found that "Go back, Simon, Simon, go back." You found like such words, and "Go back, Simon." So this was all about the Simon Commission discussion. So guys, in the end, I heartily request you, please share and subscribe this channel. That's why, because in future I will make like such videos for you, through which you will get benefit. So in the end, I heartily thank you very much.